In this video today, we'll explain how to troubleshoot a common problem that occurs during welding. If you see that the welding head is displaying a visible red guide light, but you find that no laser energy is actually being emitted, even when the trigger is pressed, we need to systematically investigate the issue. We can troubleshoot this problem by examining 3 primary points. The first step you should take is to check whether the ground clamp is properly and securely connected to the work table. You must ensure there is a solid electrical connection between the clamp and the surface, as any loose contact could prevent the laser system from firing correctly. During extensive periods of long-term welding or constant and frequent movement of the machine, the ground clamp may gradually become loose or even disconnected. In some cases, the presence of a significant buildup of heavy rust on the workpiece surface may also significantly affect the electrical conductivity. It is important to consistently and regularly check all of these critical connections to ensure a stable arc and maintain the highest possible quality results throughout your entire work process. At this particular point in time, you can directly attach the ground clamp to the welding head, and then carefully perform a test of the laser output one more time. This diagnostic step helps you determine whether the underlying issue is caused by poor electrical conductivity or the presence of rust on the work table surface. While you are in the process of connecting the ground clamp, you should also check the software interface for any status updates. After the ground clamp has been properly and securely connected, the status indicator will update to show a stable connection. The secure lock indicator should turn green. Once the secure lock signal is active, the machine should be able to emit laser energy normally. Next, check the laser enable switch. Turn it off and then turn it back on again. It is possible that it may be unintentionally disabled while you are adjusting the various parameters. The laser enable status should always remain on during operation. You can also open the main monitor page in the software. On this specific interface page, you have the ability to monitor the real-time status of various signals, which specifically include the secure lock signal as well as the laser trigger signal. By carefully observing these indicators, you can effectively determine whether the entire laser output system is functioning correctly and operating within its intended parameters at all times. If no problems are found with the welding head, work table, or a complex software system, but the welding head still cannot emit laser energy, please continue with the following detailed inspection steps. To begin the process, you should first carefully check the condition of the laser source and then move on to verify the operation of the water chiller system. The industrial water chiller unit is equipped with a digital display screen for monitoring. Please carefully examine whether any specific alarm codes or warning signals are currently appearing on this screen. If you happen to see an active alarm code, you must proceed to troubleshoot the issue by following the detailed instructions provided in the corresponding error information and manual. Also check the laser source itself. If the laser source indicates a system alarm or error, please get in touch with our professional after-sales service team immediately to receive further technical support.